Hello YouTubers, this is GCNBA 8G50 fan with the unboxing of First Gear Mac Terra Pro Health Pack Republic Services garbage truck with trash bin. Republic Services Incorporated was incorporated in 1996 with a can-do spirit, driving its dramatic growth and acquisitions through the years, welcoming other organizations that share its values and fiduciary discipline. Today, Republic Services Incorporated is the second largest provider of services in the domestic non-hazardous solid waste industry, as measured by revenue, as well as Fortune 500 company, publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Through their subsidiaries, they provide non-hazardous solid waste and recycling services for commercial, industrial, municipal, and residential customers. Their customers come first as they strive to safely and sustainably provide reliable service through 340 collection operations, 201 transfer stations, 193 active landfills, 67 recycling centers, 8 treatment, recovery, and disposal facilities, 12 saltwater disposal wells, and 69 landfills. Gas and renewable energy project across 41 states and Puerto Rico. Republic Services Incorporated is a holding company and all operations are conducted by its subsidiaries. Unless the context requires otherwise, all references to the Republic Services Company are its consolidated subsidiaries. Alright. It's the front of the box. The top, Mac Terra Pro with Hail Half Pack FEL and CNRG tailgate by First Gear. Same thing on the side. The bottom, First Gear. That's it. And here it is. The one is the 34 scale garbage truck, Republic Services. republicservices.com. We got the Hail logo, front of the truck, and we got the container fork. Here it is. And the container arm lift. We got the tailgate race. Some cautions, trucking. Anyway, this one moves, but it's still hard because it's kind of new. They have the 2014 number. Anyway, that's not the year. It's just a number. All right. Trash bin that it came. One is 34 scale. inside, very nice. The side, some caution markings, publicservices.com. Side, the back, and the lid. So here it is with the trash. Top of the truck. The back. It says the number of the truck is 2014. Not the year though. Hail. Lights, strobe lights. Traffic light. Stoplight. Bumper. Let's try and open the door. There it is. I'm not gonna open it all the way. Still new, so it opens a little bit. Okay, let's open, because these things are fragile. There you go. Let's open. With the tailgate raised to hydraulic. It has the tag axle, the third wheel, but it doesn't go down. But it's spin. Some shocks on the back, and yeah, very realistic. Other side.
It's inside. Okay.
Alright. And okay. Public services tag. Tires. And it's okay, hold on. Okay, head of the truck. The spoilers goes up, and the head of the truck tilts so we can see the engine. It's very detailed. Nice. Exhaust. The other side. You can see the detailed thing. Goes up, goes down. Let me put it like a little bit front. Okay, I'm gonna close it out, and then let's see the under of the truck. Underneath the truck, axles, the lip springs, transmission, propeller, another propeller, the tag axle, and some mud guards, and the differential, two of them, so it's kind of like 8-wheeler or something, 8x8, and some pretty good transmission. Looks realistic. Alright. Alright, so that's about it. Hope you like it. So subscribe, comment, and like. And for more videos of more, I have WM truck, and I'm gonna do a video later with a Coroto can. And thanks for watching.